Hey everyone, this is Katrina, the owner of COS Marketing Agency, here to wish you a happy Independence Day. And also, we are here to talk about a very important topic post-Independence Day, meaning the rest of your summer season marketing. So we are here to take out the guesswork from all of that and tell you what you need to do to improve your search ranking and how we need to think about this AI search that is now here to stay. I want to make sure that all of our service-based businesses are prepared for these changes. So before I get started, if you could, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time we post, which is nearly every single day. So we are here to give you the latest and greatest information, so let's get right down to it. In 2026, this surge in the summer is going to look different than what you guys are used to seeing because AI-powered search is now dominating and it's changing the game. So when homeowners are going to return from their holiday travel and they get back into their routines, suddenly all the stuff that they were putting off has to raise to the top of their to-do list. And if you're not there instantly when they make that search, they're just going to look past you. They're not even going to know that you exist. And this high intent search is now going to spike very soon for things like roofing, cleaning companies, landscaping, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, pressure washing, pest control, and more. Basically any service business that has to do with building or maintaining a home, so construction as well, or same thing with commercial properties as well. The way people are searching has changed, right? So AI tools like Google's AI Overview that you see at the top of search results is changing the game the most. And that also ties into SGE. SGE is short for Search Generative Experience. And that's Google's AI system that creates instant conversational-like summaries by pulling information from different websites all at the same time. So you as a user are going to read that and see the AI summary first. Your visibility is going to depend on how the AI understands and trusts your content and how much it puts you in that mix. AI is now prioritizing things like clear service descriptions, strong local SEO signals, fresh and frequently updated content, an accurate and well updated and maintained Google business profile, recent and current reviews that just kind of keep on coming in, and structured pages with clear headings and FAQ, especially broken down between different services. Specificity is good. More pages is where it's at, provided they are properly optimized. AI is also going to reward you for weekly or monthly updates to your website. Not quarterly like a lot of you guys are doing, or not at all. AI is recognizing seasonal spikes in demand and it's going to adapt accordingly. So people who are searching for inspections, cleanings, repairs, remodels, does not matter, building, if you're not coming up on these AI searches, you're going to be completely left behind. So July is the perfect time to publish seasonal content, to create specific service pages for summer-related services that you offer, post-holiday cleaning ideas, things like that, promotions, reminders, offers, things like that. Now is the time to double, triple down on that. Content also answers customer questions. So you want to make sure you're directly contacting or reaching out rather to your prospects and creating that bridge and gap, answering those questions before they even pick up the phone. SEO is going to help AI extract those answers to those questions. It's going to look at your content, it's going to see the things that you're doing, and it's more likely to place you in search results by doing that. To stay visible, service businesses should refresh their Google business profile, update their service pages, add seasonal keywords, gather new reviews, and publish July-focused content. AI-powered search is already shaping who gets seen and who gets overlooked. If you want to stay competitive during the July search surge, now is the time to act, not later. So at my company, COS Marketing Agency, we specialize in the whole gambit of marketing, but we are especially focused on this AI-driven SEO because it's so important, especially for our service-based customers. We can help you with the seasonal marketing. We can do done-for-you content that is very strategy and focus and intent driven in its nature. So if you're looking to grow your business and you're saying to yourself, I want somebody to just do this all for me, definitely keep COS Marketing Agency in mind. And when you contact us, you'll be directed to the owner of the company, which is me, Katrina. And you can call me directly at 407-334-9378 to book an appointment. You can also email us at cosmarketingagency@gmail.com. And you can also book directly on our website, which is cosmarketingagency.com. Thank you so much, guys. Again, I'm Katrina, the owner of COS Marketing Agency. I hope this was helpful. We have a lot of information about SEO and this new AI search that's here to stay on our channel. Lots of more videos there. You can also check out blogs on our website that goes into a lot more detail than we could put in these videos on our website, cosmarketingagency.com. And once again, I hope you consider to give us a follow. And if you do, hit that notification bell, because otherwise these videos tend to get buried. So thank you so much, guys. Happy 4th of July again. And I hope that was helpful. Take care. Bye-bye.